Hi people, this is Nettie. Okay, it's a beautiful morning. It's nice and sunny. It's around, I think, 7:30. It's not even yet 8 yet. But yesterday I tried to do this video, and my camera was all disfigured. I don't know how that happened, but I was able to fix it last night. So today I'm gonna make little mini ones, videos. I try them doing as small as possible because it takes too long to go through. And I ain't got the money to buy more, megabytes or gigabytes or whatever they call it. So I have to do with what I have. Okay, so now we gonna see these plants. Look how beautiful. This is Black Beauty. I think that's what they call it. And they are black, I call that, let me see. They are black eggplant. I got it. Okay, my mind still works a little bit. So, I'm keeping them. I'm doing the same method that I did with the tomatoes. What's the method? Okay, let me show you. Plant number one, plant number two. Well, not the pot number one and pot number two. Okay, I got it right. Pot number one, and pot number two. Now what I'm going to do, I also cutting in the top because I don't want it to grow wild like the other one that I had here. They went wild and then it just got sick and then it died. So I don't want that. I want to be where I could protect it, where I could see what's going on with it, and all that. So the first few flowers, they died. They were like real skinny up here. This one, I think they're gonna make it. And there's like, okay, there's one over here that's about to take out this top part, the flower part, and that's when it starts growing the eggplant. Okay, so we got one. We have this one. We have a few that are gonna start opening. And I don't know if it was 2 or it was 3. I don't remember. But either way, they're growing a lot. As you can see right there. Right there. They're growing a whole bunch. And the thing is, it is growing from down up. When it gets up to this height, a little bit bigger, because I could take a little bit bigger. Then I'll be chopping it down. Because eggplants are one thing that they grow like crazy. So I just want it to grow outwards and not upwards, so I could take better care. So it looks beautiful. I am very happy. The leaves are very beautiful. I have cut a few of them because they are growing a lot of babies. Look, if you look there, look at all that. All that is new growth that is gonna come out. Here it has growth. Here it has growth. And I've been taking them out because remember, this one is a small plant. It's in a small pot, so I got to do the same thing as I do with the tomatoes, so they don't die. So that's how I do it. So let's see if this experiment also work, because if you can make things like this work, it's much better. You have a small spot, you could just put this, cut it up, put a double thing like I do here, and that's it, and water it every day. So that's all for now. God bless you all. Until next time. Bye-bye.